Why, hello there. This is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. I can't remember the name offhand right now, but it's a Shoyu. It's got a smiling face. And you can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get one of their boxes or more of them or whatever. And yeah, the name of this one's in the description, so that's what you're getting today. So you can live with that. And yeah, how are you? Good, I hope. So it is Friday, November 9th, December 9th, 2022. Cook some noodle. Cooking some noodle. Got a 3-minute noodle. This should be just fantastic, folks. I would hope. If it's not, I'll let you know. So, boy, nobody can get a break around here. My daughter, Mimi, she got an ear infection. That's no good. She's not feeling so hot, so I should set a timer. That would probably be logical. Whoa, what did I just... No! Okay, now I gotta cancel this because it's been too long. Start. Okay. But yeah, no school for little cutie today. So she gets to sit on the couch and watch her YouTube. Her videos. Yeah. So that's no fun. I don't know that I've ever had an ear infection. But everything I've ever heard of is that they're exceedingly painful, and I hope this is the only one she'll ever get. But I guess they kind of run in the family a little bit, so that's not a good sign. Come on, is it on here? Trying to run through these really quick. I'll have to get another one. See, sometimes on the lid, they've got the amount of water that you need. And sometimes they don't. And that's a real pain. When they do, then that makes it easy. If, you know, for Japanese varieties, with the foam bowls, you gotta know how many milliliters of liquid you're gonna need. Unless you have the bowl, which I don't. But I've got the scan of the side panels of said bowl, so that's what's going on. Once this one's done, I'll just go over to the computer device and look on there and find the info on how much water to add to the next one. The next one's going to be a Shoyu Tonkatsu from Marashan. It's a whole set. This one and the next three are all going to be Japanese. I don't know. But this is the, 14th review I've done this week. And at the end of the day today, I'm doing 4 today. I did 4 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today, so there's 16. And yesterday, I did the Asha Crazy Rich Ramen review. So that's 17 in all that will be at the end of the day today, which is a lot. That's a lot of reviews. It's good though. And that means if what am I going to be at? 44.84. So that means I've only got 16 more to do. And then I'll be at review 4,500. And I know exactly the one that I want to do. And I'm going to grab a different fork. That was way too emphatic. I'm glad that didn't go way worse. Anyways. The one I'm going to do is a... God, what is it? It's this vagina. I think the name is kind of funny. Beijing. It's Brazilian. And there's a, what do you call it? A dessert ramen that's based off this little like bonbon looking thing. Beijing ho or vagino, which sounds like something completely different. But once I get the vagino, which I have to get at a place, there's a place in Kirkland called Kitanda, and they have the vagino. And once I get that, I can do the review, so it'll be pretty interesting. Our broth. Very salty. I'm gonna give it an eh at this point. Try the noodle. This is an Acecook variety. Noodle's alright. Very salty though, like crudely so. If I were going to have this recreationally, I would add more water, personally. A little bit of meat in there. And a little bit of narutomaki. Yeah, pretty standard. This is a regional variety, but it's not like amazing. It's not bad. I mean, it's just like your kind of Shoyu daily deal. So we'll do the Shoyu daily deal today. This one needs a little hand holding. These noodles a comb over. The guy who does 5 a.m. ramen mentioned something like combing the noodles. I'll call it a comb over. My noodles are bald. Okay, yeah. No, I can't live with that. We need to be able to see more of the broth in this one, and the easiest way to deal with that is to just remove some of the noodle. About that much. I'm okay with that. Are you okay with that? I certainly hope so. There's the noodle. I made some eggs, and I'm sad to report that I am out of soy sauce, so I had to use Maggi seasoning. Not something I normally do. Let's go with this one. Eggitude. I made these first thing this morning. I got plenty of eggs, I just don't have any soy sauce left. I swore that I did. There's some soy sauce, egg. We've got some narutomaki. And a little bit of bachasha. See, wouldn't it be nice if this is what came in cup noodles? The full meal deal. Oh, there's another slice of chashu in here. Not a big one. I think I'll just eat it. And that was the right choice. Okay. Add some. And some some seeds. And a dash, just a dash. Actually, before the dash, here's what I'm talking about. Where is it? It should be right there. What is this one? Oh, wow. Teach me. Right, like that. So here we go. Alright, that's it for that one. Thanks for watching. Next, we'll have another one from zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This one is Amarishan Wonton Men Tonkatsu Shoyu. And I'm like really, or Shoyu Tonkatsu. And this sounds really good. So that will be the next one you see. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.